Hi guys, Abs here and welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create affiliate product reviews for products that are listed on places like ClickBank, on places like JVZoo, and on places like WarriorPlus. Okay, and then I'm going to be showing you how you can uncover keywords that your competitors are reviewing. So you can uncover products that your competitors are reviewing, use that as inspiration, and then go out and create your own product reviews, hoping that you can also benefit from the commissions that they are making from these products that they're reviewing. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you both of these methods. But first of all, what I want to do is show you the type of articles that we're going to be generating. We're going to be generating them using AI. Okay, and I just want to show you the outcome of these actual articles. So here's a typical article that we're going to be creating. It has a nice small intro to the top. It draws the user in by telling them what they're going to be learning and gives them some nice details about the products using bold words when possible, nice short paragraphs using simple to understand English, and it's a very comprehensive article. But not only that, guys, we're going to be creating a nice diagram that is taken and extracted from the content that we create, so that it's nicely visually appealing to the user, and also some FAQs when possible as well. Okay, and to do this, I'm going to be using the prompt generator AI, guys. Okay, you don't have to use the prompt generator AI, but I'm going to be doing it just to save us some time. But I will also share the exact strategy and prompts that I'm using so that you can go out there and do this manually as well. Okay, the key takeaway from this is how we're creating these actual articles, what we're doing to create these articles, and how you can go and use AI to create product reviews so that you can try and bank on some of these affiliate commissions. Okay, and the way that we're going to construct these articles, guys, is we're going to be using an AIDA framework. Now, the AIDA framework is designed to grab the attention of the user when they come onto your page. It's designed to pique the user's interest and to, you know, create a desire for the product that you're actually promoting, and then it comes out with an action. Now, that call to action could be, you know, buying the product, or it could be sending the customer or the reader over to the sales page. Okay, so this is the framework that we're going to be using. We're going to be using the prompt generator AI, and we're going to be creating affiliate product reviews. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking one product from, for example, ClickBank. Okay, what we'll do is I'm on here, top offers. Okay, I'm just going to randomly pick one of these products here, guys. I'm not affiliated with any of these products. Okay, as you can see, this one's pretty short, so I'm not going to use this one. I'll actually go over to this one instead. Okay, this is a nice long content rich details on here, so it gives me more details to work with, or AI to work with. So I'm just going to copy the URL. Okay, I'm going to go over to JVZoo, guys. Okay, again, I'm not affiliated with any of these products. I'm randomly picking these products, guys. Okay, and you would do this in any way that you want. So this is only for informational purposes. I'm going to go over to the product page here as well, and I'm going to go ahead and copy this URL as well. So now we have one product called Java Burn, which is from ClickBank. We have one product from JVZoo, which is called TalkMate, and now we're going to go ahead and get one product from WarriorPlus, and this product is actually called AI Movie Maker. Okay, we're copying all three URLs, and the reason we're copying all three URLs is because we're not going to be doing any keyword research. We're just going to send over the exact product pages and get AI to create us a review from that. Okay, so I'm going to come over to the prompt generator AI, and I've got this strategy down here. Okay, as you can see, I've got multiple strategies. I've got multiple categories as well. So I'm just going to quickly explain what this is, so then you can follow along with what I'm doing. So each one of these strategies is designed to do one thing. So this strategy here is designed to create me product reviews, and it creates me product reviews using 9 prompts, guys. This is a sequence of prompts. So the very first thing that I do is crawl the URL, then I send over the content from that URL to the AI to understand it and create me an outline. Then I start writing for the parts. I then go ahead and start writing things for the key takeaways and extracting statistical data and getting FAQs, and then I put it all together. So every time I create a product review, I don't use one prompt, I'm using 9 prompts. Okay, so instead of me having to copy and paste so many things, this is where the prompt generator AI really stands out and shines, because it allows you to automate sequence prompting, which is absolutely beautiful. Some of these strategies can be absolutely huge, 20 prompts, 30 prompts, whatever you want. Okay, but I'm not here to sell the prompt generator AI, I'm here to demonstrate how you can actually create these product reviews. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and create this product review. I'm going to go over to the logical strategy. I'm going to quickly go ahead and just add my URLs in here. Okay, so this was the first URL, morning coffee ritual, I think it was called. And then there was this one here, Talkmate. And there was this one here, AI Movie Maker. I'm telling the software to go ahead and create 3 or scrape all 3 of them. I'm just going to reduce all this down here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and click on start. So what's going to happen down here towards the top left, you can see that the software is crawling, and then it's going ahead and it's performing the prompts, and it's doing all 3 keywords or all 3 URLs at the same time through this one strategy. Okay, which is absolutely brilliant. And I'm going to quickly go over this strategy with you. I'm going to be sharing it with you as well, guys, below this video, so you can go ahead and download it and use it for yourself. But let me just really quickly show you exactly what this is doing. Okay, so really quickly, it's just saying that I've scraped content. Let me just come down here. Okay, I've scraped content from a website about a product, and I need you to analyze it thoroughly, please. Okay, please understand the target audience. Okay, please identify pain points and solutions. Okay, perform keyword research. Okay, include engaging, keyword-rich and descriptive headings and subheadings. Okay, craft headings that grab attentions, evoke interest and desire, and encourage action. Okay, use action-orientated language. Okay, avoid any meta commentary or descriptions of the process. Do not include headings that describe what you are doing. Focus on the benefits and unique selling points of the product. I'm going through this fairly quickly, guys, because I don't want to take too much time in this video. Okay, emphasize the advantages and outcomes to that the reader can expect. Incorporate keywords naturally. Integrate the identified keywords into the headings. Okay, optimize for SEO and conversions. Important, and then I'm giving some important notes down here which it wasn't following before, so I've had to go ahead and do them, and then I'm sending it over the content from the URL that we actually scraped. Okay, and then what we're doing, guys, is really quickly, okay, this is done. As you can see, 1 minute 44 seconds, it's done all 3 articles. Okay, so what we're doing then is writing for section 1, writing for section 2, getting key takeaways to the top, getting extracted data, putting it all together with FAQs. Okay, I'm going to go over to the editor, and now I'm going to import them in so that we can see these and see exactly what the software's done. So this is the first one here. Okay, you can tell by the time, guys, 11:51, 11:52, 11:52. Have a look at my time down here. It's 11:52 a.m. as well. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and import the very first one in here, and I'm going to take you up towards the top to show you that this works based on our strategy. Okay, so now this is going ahead and creating content. It's got a nice intro to the top. It's got details about what you're going to be learning. This is AI Movie Maker. Is that the one that we imported? Yes, it is. Okay, AI Movie Maker. So this was the actual last one that we added from WarriorPlus. This one here. Okay, and it's giving you some details about what you're going to be learning. It's giving you some really nice headings. Transform your ideas into cinematic masterpieces using AI technology. Okay, seamless creation of 8K movies in minutes. Experience effortless movie production with AI Movie Maker. So anyway, we've got some nice lists in here. Our paragraphs are nice and short. We're using simple to understand English, and it's really cool, guys, because we've also got a nice visual graph towards the bottom. This visual graph here is actually telling you, step 1, select the theme, choose your story idea or theme. Step 2, customize, use AI to edit characters, scenes and dialogues. Step 3, produce, AI processes and produces the movie. Really simple. Okay, and this was done after creating this article, so we know that whatever's in this diagram has been added to this article as well. Okay, and then we've got some key FAQs for AI Movie Maker, which is also covered in the article, and this is 1,602 words long. Okay, so let's go ahead to the next one now. So we'll go over to this one here. Okay, straight away from the bottom, you can see we've got a little graph here, TikTok users. So obviously this is the one from JVZoo. So this is Talkmate. Okay, and what you can see here is telling you that the average time spent 52 minutes a day. Okay, daily likes, 160 million, whatever, I don't know, daily likes. Okay, and this is obviously TikTok user engagement, probably looking at the entire platform. Okay, and the monthly active users as well. Now, just to let you know, guys, the AI hasn't made this up. Okay, and the only way the AI is able to get this and create this gram is by what's created in this article. Okay, and this article was taken from after scraping the content from this website so that we can resonate everything with the actual product that we're promoting. Okay, and have a look at this article as well, guys. Nice little intro to the top. What you're going to learn really nicely boosts the engagement, draws the user in, uses the AIDA framework, and really narrows it down for you to only add in your affiliate links, and you know, hoping that they're going to be clicking over to the website, and they're going to be converting. Okay, so let's have a look at the third one really quickly, guys. So towards the bottom here, okay, as you can see, oops, these FAQs actually have come in not HTML format, guys, so I do apologize about this. It just means that we need to tweak our prompts a little bit. I can actually show you how to tweak a prompt in a moment as well. Okay, and as you can see down here, so this is actually giving us some graphs. So the impact of Java burn on metabolism and weight management. I actually thought Java was something to do with JavaScript. Okay, but Java burn is to do with obviously weight stuff. Okay, so before Java burn, slow metabolism. After Java burn, a boosted metabolism. Okay, Java burn enhances your metabolism. Okay, weight management struggles, hunger and cravings. Okay, and obviously this one here is reduced cravings. So I believe this is before, after, and they're two little cells or whatever down there. Okay, and as you can see from here, guys, it is nicely styled, it is nicely optimized. We're using nice and short paragraphs. We're using a nice intro, a nice key takeaways of what you're going to be learning, drawing the users in. Okay, transform your morning routine with metabolism boosting coffee enhancer. So there you go, we already know that it's about coffee. Okay, and you can just have a look at these articles. They're really cool, guys, and it was simple. Got them done within a couple of minutes. This one's 2,602 words, and as you saw down here, this was 1 minute and 44 seconds. I didn't do any keyword research. I didn't do nothing. Instead, I fed it the URL of the actual product. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is really quickly, I'm going to be sharing these strategies with you below this video, guys, so you can go ahead and actually, you know, use these strategies yourself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take you over to this website here. Oops, no, this website here. And what this website does, it uncovers your competitor keywords that they're actually ranking for. Very similar to SEMrush. Okay, I'm not promoting this website, guys, so I'm not going to even mention the name. But what I want to do is show you how you can do this. Okay, so I've uncovered keywords that Backlinko are actually ranking for. Now, I didn't specifically choose Backlinko because, you know, they're ranking for so many keywords, or they're a competitor, or because I have something against them. This is purely for informational purposes, guys. What I'm making notes of in this video doesn't mean that I endorse it. I'm just giving you it based on information so that you can go out there and do with it what you please. Okay, and the reason I'm using Backlinko, I'm going to be 100% transparent with you as well, because I used it in my last video as well, and I do feel that, you know what, I shouldn't be doing that. But this is exactly how I've done it. And instead of me having to do my keyword research and everything again, because I've already done it, I'm just going to use this as an example. Okay, so when I was on the browser, I done a quick review. I done a quick keyword search for SEMrush review. I did click on get, and I got all of the URLs down here. And then I started to scroll down here, and Backlinko was one of the top ranking sites. So as you can see down here. And I really like the way that they do the content. So heads up to Backlinko. I really like the way that you guys are doing your content. I really like the way that you are structuring everything as well. And this is probably one of the reasons why, you know what, I keep finding you, and I'm uncovering your keywords, and I'm giving users examples of how they can do it. If anything, I really hope you guys can visit the website, Backlinko, and you know, learn from the website, because it does give you some fantastic information. They're great guys, and they're doing a great job. Okay, and if you actually have a look at their statistics as well for the organic traffic, and that it's increasing year on year, which is absolutely brilliant. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, you can see down here, if we do like 30 months or something. Okay, so I had a nice little peak there, dropped it off, and they're coming back up again. Okay, so anyway, so what I done is I uncovered the keywords that are targeting review keywords only. Okay, I downloaded them, and this is all of the keywords down here. Okay, all you have to do now is identify the keywords that you want to go out there for. You want to go out there and you want to target as well. Now, you might be doing this based on the search volume of these keywords. You might be doing it based on the actual product or the kind of things that they're reviewing. So, for example, link building services. services, as opposed to an actual product, which might be like G-Links Pro Review. It'll be do link building services. Okay, so you've got SEO software review. Now, it might be targeting many other different things in there. It's entirely up to you. But as I mentioned to you, I did an SEMrush review. So here's another one, Ahrefs review. You got Surfer SEO review. You can come down here and you can pick other ones as well. Okay, so you got Serper, you got SERP stat reviews, you got BuzzStream review, and so many more. So all you have to do is find the URLs. Like we know, like for example, if we have a look at these are all ranking on the first page of Google. So these are excellent because I know this is a nice informational based product or based review that I'm going to get some really good data down here. Now obviously some of these might be different URLs or the same URL, sorry. So for example, link building services. So you're going to uncover the URLs that they are actually targeting, or sorry, that they are ranking for the actual product. Okay, and then you're going to come along and get that URL, and you're going to be using the exact same strategy. I mean, look at this. Backlinko is ranking on the first page of Google for the keyword Ahrefs review. They're on position number 6. Okay, now we want to rank for Ahrefs review as well, and we know that Google loves this website. It's loving the content that's on here, that it's ranking it position number 6. Okay, and because of that, we also know that Google's loving all of the content on this URL. So we can go ahead and use that as inspiration. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing. Okay, so we can use the exact same strategy. Okay, so for example, this strategy that I've shared down here. Or we can go ahead and use a different strategy that I've created in the past, which is a URL rewrite strategy. So that's what I'm going to do down here. I'm going to use this URL rewrite strategy. So I've got this rewrite from URL. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and add this URL in here. Okay, and I'm going to tell the software that I just want to do one, and I'm going to go ahead and click on save, and I'm going to click on start. Now, one thing that I should mention about this strategy is I don't think that I've actually got a graph in here. So this strategy is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prompts. The 6 prompts is actually a save command, so I don't actually have a graph or anything in here, guys. Okay, and it's really easy to add strategies. Okay, I told you that I might show you how to actually edit a strategy. We'll actually try and get this video done within 20 minutes, and I'll see if I can show you how to edit a strategy as well. So anyway, this is done here. I'm going to go over to the editor. I'm going to go over to import, and I'm going to import that inside of here. Okay, and this time we've only got 796 words, unfortunately. Okay, so it hasn't followed. It hasn't followed on this occasion, guys. So this is a totally transparent video, guys. Sometimes the AI doesn't give us back what we want. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that again. I'm going to run that one more time. Hopefully, I'm going to be able to see a fully constructed article in the way that I've been showing you now. Okay, so I'm going to wait until this completes. And once it's completed, we'll go ahead and we'll actually get that done. Oh, we'll go ahead and import it inside of here and be able to take a look at it. Okay, so it's done, 35 seconds. Hopefully we've got the entire article this time. Okay, so I didn't do anything to this, guys, or the only thing that I done this time is I just went and ran it again. Okay, sometimes there can be errors from the API. As you can see, this time we've got 2,127 words. It's very rare that we get these errors, guys, but if they do happen, they do happen. And you know what? You managed to catch it while it's on video. So I'm not going to be, you know, doing any edits or anything like that. But anyway, what you can see down here is we've got a nice little intro to the top. We've got a nice what you're going to learn, drawing the users in, and then we're getting the entire Ahrefs article that's ranking on the first page of Google getting rewritten for us. Okay, which is absolutely brilliant, guys. We can then go ahead and, you know, maybe add our own human touches on this, maybe go ahead and add it to our websites, wait until we get some traction, and then edit it or do whatever it is that you want to do in your own ways, guys. Okay, but the main thing to take away from this, guys, is that you can use AI to create product reviews for products that are on, for example, ClickBank, on JVZoo, and on WarriorPlus, and you can also go ahead and rewrite product reviews that are already ranking inside of Google and put them onto your own website. And it's really easy to do this, guys, using AI. I'm going to be sharing both of the strategies with you so that you can go ahead and get this done as well. But as I mentioned to you guys, for example, if you do want to automate things, if you are going to be writing more than one URL, and if you are creating prompts to create your articles using sequence prompting, which is like multiple prompts one after the other, and then you get your last, and then your last outcome is your actual article, then this is where the prompt generator AI is really going to help you, and it really stands out and it really shines. So let me just quickly show you how you'd edit a prompt as well, guys. So I'm going to go over to strategies. This is where all the magic happens. Okay, this is where you can add your strategies. So I'm going to go over to that same strategy that we created, or sorry, that we were looking at, the product reviews. Okay, and I can see all of my strategies down here. I can see all of my prompts inside of this strategy. Okay, now one thing was when it was doing the FAQ. Now, if I have a look at this prompt down here, we're asking it for FAQs in here as well. Okay, and what I need to do is I just need to add something like make sure you're using markdown format for FAQs. Okay, so I've got insert the generated FAQs as appropriate. Okay, return the complete proofed article with the FAQs. Okay, insert the generated FAQs in the appropriate point within the article using inline, okay, using HTML. Okay, I'm going to say using inline HTML. And that's it. And that should sort it out, guys. I'm going to click on update, and I'm going to click on update, and that's been updated. Okay, and I can go ahead and run this article inside of automation. So anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I am sorry that it was a little bit longer than I said it was going to be, but I really hope that you can take away how you can go ahead and use AI to create these affiliate product reviews.